Yo, what is up, guys? I hope all is well. So for the past 3 days, we have had the absolute pleasure of perfecting and protecting this beautiful Subaru. This is a WRX STI Impreza rally spec. So they only brought a handful of these into the country. The owner of this vehicle really takes pride in this vehicle and opted to go for a full frontal paint protection film, coated the rest of the vehicle, as well as coating the paint protection film so this car stays glossing for the duration of his ownership. So guys, now we are going to be doing the decontamination. So guys, now we're going to be doing a pre-foam just to loosen up the dirt. We are going to begin the crevices. Now we are going to be doing the contact wash. How's it, guys? So Leander asked me why we have two buckets, and that is because one is filled with water and soap and one is filled with just water. Both buckets also do have a grid guard at the bottom just so that we catch all the dirt and none of it gets into the car. Now we will be doing the clay bar just to get rid of all the deeply embedded dirt that you cannot really see with the naked eye. Now it is time to do the chemical decontamination. It's time for the final contact wash. Finally, we are going to be blowing the car. Last but not least, it's time for the paint correction to make sure we get this car's paint into pristine condition. So guys, as you can see, this paint has very light imperfections in it, so not much paint correction will be needed. But once we are done, all of these swirls are going to be gone and she is going to be glossing better than brand new. See, there are holograms on the paints and these were caused by improper polishing as well. So all of these must be gone in order for us to achieve the best looking car and results we can get.
So after doing multiple test spots, we have found the perfect pad and compound combination that gives us that finish we're looking for while doing the least amount of polishing possible.
What's up guys, it's day 2. So we've just finished with decon with the vehicle. She's also received her paint enhancement polish and she is now glossing, as you can see. We've also steamed the crevices. And now it's time for this beautiful baby to receive a full frontal paint protection full. What's up guys, so as you'll see in the back, we did remove panel or 2, not too many, just to make sure that we can get a finish that is clean as possible.
So now that she's all been perfected
and protected, she is ready to tackle the roads. Guys, if you want your vehicle to look like this or even better, do not hesitate to give us a call. Our contact details will be in the description below. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content to follow.